Alright, so today it's going to be the review and install of the LASFIT LED lighting for the Chevy Colorado. I have a 2019. I've had LASFIT for a year, and so far they've been good, but the old bulbs only lasted a year, so keep that in mind. So if you're looking for a longer lasting bulb, I don't know if mine went bad, but yeah, it only lasted a year. So opening this little guy up, got the LASFIT packet there, and there's the two bulbs. So there they are, and then it's just a simple plug and play. So we'll get out to the truck. So one thing I forgot to mention is that it's only my front left that went out. My front right is still working, so I'm only going to be installing one of these today. So yeah, I forgot to mention that. But the left one gave out after a year, so it was like pretty much a year to the day on that. So just keep that in mind, and I'll go show you the install real quick. So it's a pretty simple install. All you really have to do is get down into, so there's two of these. It's not this one, but it's the one tucked back a little bit further. I'm just gonna twist. Make sure this thing, I want to see, kind of look. The GM is straight up. Okay, so take it off, and then from there, see the bulb in there. What we're gonna do. So I taped this. Hang on. Okay, so literally all you're gonna do is unplug that from that. So here's the old headlight. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not. But yeah, there's the old headlight. So we are going to pop in the new one. That's what I want to do here. Is, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's the hole in there. You're literally just gonna put that little guy in. Let's see here. Alright, cool, hang on. Back in there. Alright, so you're just gonna plug that into there. Crap. It's hard to do this with one hand. Okay, so like that. So now that's plugged in. All you're gonna do is put this cap right back on. And that's it for this left side, and I'll show you the right, or how to do it, but I'm not going to do it. So now if you're replacing this right one, all you're going to do is take a flathead screwdriver, pop that one out. You're going to come in here and pop, I don't know if you can see it, but this one out right there, where my finger's pointing. This piece will come off, and you're just going to remove the exact, one of the caps again. Unscrew your stock light, and then pop in the other one, and you're done. Good to go. It's pretty easy.